This is our custom 14-foot trailer, which is really nice. It rolls down the highway real easy. You hardly know you're pulling it. And as you see here, I'm doing 60 miles an hour, and I'm getting current gas mileage 17.9. Sometimes it goes up even to a little over 18. And I just wanted to show everybody how easy the 14-foot boat is to pull. We're going to do some more videoing of putting this boat in the water this afternoon when we deliver it. Another thing you can do, you can pull right up to the dock straight, you know, and then they can just walk right in also.
Get back here so it'll beach better. There you go.
I'm going to beach this thing right into that.
Get off and I can get the whole thing up here.
I don't want to go too far. See, that's
a nice boat,
see, that's
Jim.
making